Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 5th of August 2022. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports. So whatever has happened today in the market, this video commentary is purely based on my point of view and this video is only for the educational purpose. Now coming back to the Nifty August future. By the way, we in the previous video we saw how to make losses in the option that video was only for the entertainment purpose and to make you understand and try to reach lessons towards you that what mistakes did I do yesterday which gave me such a huge loss, which is of course 12,000 is a big money, and then we lost it, and how you cannot repeat that mistake again. Watch the video again if you haven't. Now yes, coming back to the charts of Nifty August, the market opened at 17,389. It went up in the one candle itself. It has given like 70 80 points, and then from there it has slightly hovered upon and then again come up. It was a big I think Nifty was the slightest volatile movement, and then it has been sideways for a while, and then from there it has tried to break this pivot level but it couldn't. But after around 11 o'clock it has successfully break the pivot level, but it couldn't even break and sustain, took a quick rejection, and from taking a rejection it came towards a lower, and then maybe yeah, this level it touched the pivot level, took a support and then went up to again go back lower. As you can see, the trend, one second. Yeah, so as we can see, the trend following, which is from this pivot level to this, to this, you see this black dots, then this black dots, this black dots, and then this pivot level, it has come down. Little profit booking happened for the short sellers, and the buyers has stop loss got hit, and then slightly went up, and then from there again it went down. So it, you can see how it has formed lower highs, forming a lower highs, and then again go lower, go up, and then again go lower. This is how a trend is followed. Example, if you see in a uptrend movement how the market goes, it just suddenly, it just doesn't go up in one line. It goes up, makes a low, and then again makes higher highs, down, higher highs, down, higher highs, down, higher highs, down. If you really analyze this trade and see the first formation of the candle, you see how the first downwards is gonna go and then up, and then if it's taking a rejection, what you can do, you can short over at this point and aim for at least 50 to 100 points as your target, and with around 150 points, 1:1, you can keep a stop loss and target, and then enter, and then again come back, and then again if you see a rejection happening over here after a quick recovery, you can again follow the same process as we can see it in the market, how the charts have been forming today. It gives a clear indication to short, to make a quick money, and this is good only for the option sellers and buyers and the traders. Yeah, all right, now coming to the bank nifty, we are on 3 minute charts with the super trend and the pivot level. The market opened around 37 30 yes 37 38,820 ish. We took our trade at 918. Yep, let's go here, and this, by the way, before showing the order book, remember, these orders are purely and only taken for the educational purpose and or only taken in this account to demonstrate in this YouTube video, and this is just for the demonstration sake. So now let's come up and then down. We can see 918.20 we have entered 37,800 call option 50, which is two lots at 440, and then we come over here, we took around somewhere here and then exited at this pivot level. As we saw it coming, it opened above the pivot level, managed to successfully close the sorry, managed to successfully close, and then it has tested the next pivot level and then made a little bit higher highs, to touching the lows. And again, as I thought in the Nifty 50 chart, making, see if it making a lower high or lower lows. It touches, it makes the day's high, goes lower, and then again tries to break the day's high, but it couldn't, and from there it takes a rejection, clear rejection. We got one confirmation and then comes back up. We can enter over here or here, keeping a stop loss at this point, and then enters over here. I mean, we can short sell over here bindastly, and then from here 38,077 we can approximately aim for. This is like 200 points down, but we can just aim for at least 120 to 180 to 120 points, which is again a good thing. So this is how the things goes, this is how we should trade, and this is how the things will go. Let us see how the markets are going to open on Monday. The time I am recording this video, the Dow Jones is trading only 20 points higher after opening gap down and trading lower around 40, 60, 70, 80, 20, 30 points lower than the previous close. And now like since last 5 minutes it has been trading in green, which is exactly trading at 32,739.70. So yeah, let us see now how the things are gonna go. I hope there is no bad news regarding US Taiwan versus China, and everything goes all well. Well, thank you so much for staying up until here. See you all in the next episode. Until then, stay safe, trade safe.